SMO kya hai? Discover the secret to social media growth and learn how social media optimization can transform your business. By globaldigitaz.com, helping you gain more followers. SMO stands for Social Media Optimization. It's about growing your social media presence and making your brand visible online. This involves organic and paid strategies, focusing on content, hashtags, and timing to increase your audience. Why is SMO important? It boosts brand awareness by 500% so your brand is visible everywhere. It helps you gain more than 10K new followers monthly and dramatically increases customer reach to millions. Make your post go viral and grow your followers. How does SMO work? The process involves 4 steps: content creation, timely post sharing, achieving wide reach, and finally, getting high engagement like likes, comments, and shares. Remember, every step is important. Don't skip any. The benefits of SMO include viral reach, expanding your content to millions. You get more leads, resulting in a 3x increase in sales. Most importantly, it builds brand trust, with 95% of people trusting your brand. This leads to a 200% growth. Choose the best social platforms to build your presence. Instagram is great for reels and stories with over 200 crore users. Facebook is ideal for groups and ads with 300 crore users. YouTube focuses on videos and shorts, reaching 250 crore users. For B2B marketing, LinkedIn is the platform of choice with over 90 crore users. SMO delivers clear results. Followers increase by 50K every month. You get a sales boost, with direct orders from social media multiplying by 3x. Expect business growth of 200%, making your brand viral across India. Get over 1.2K followers today. A wrong strategy can lead to significant losses. Expect low reach, meaning posts won't reach anyone, a drop of 80%. There will be no engagement, no likes, comments, or shares. This can result in a followers drop of 50%, losing your existing audience. Avoid low engagement and wrong strategies. At Global Digitaz, our SMO services include social media management with daily posting and scheduling, Reels marketing, paid promotion with targeted paid campaigns, and overall brand growth by creating a complete brand identity, including professional reel editing. Grow your business on social media. Contact Global Digitaz today. Visit our website at globaldigitaz.com or call us at +91 914 022 6045. You can also connect with us on WhatsApp.